What Could Your Redeemer Do? By Charles Wesley. What could your Redeemer do more than he had done for you? To procure your peace with God, could he more than shed his blood? After all his ways of love, all his drawings from above, why will you your Lord deny? Why will you resolve to die? Turn, he cries, ye sinners, turn. By his life your God hath won. He would have you turn and live. He would all the world receive. If your death were his delight, would he you to life invite? Would he ask of death and cry, why will you resolve to die? Sinners turn while God is near. Dare not think him insincere. Now, even now, your Savior stands. All day long he spreads his hand. Cries, ye will not happy be. No, you will not come to me. Me who life to none deny. Why will you resolve to die? Can you doubt if God is love? If to all his bowels move? Will you not his word believe? Will you not his word believe? See, the suffering God appears. Jesus weeps. Believe his tears. Mingled with his blood they cry, why will you resolve to die?